So I want whoever clicked on this video, right, whoever is watching this video right now, to realize that greatness is not based off of luck, okay? A lot of people need to understand this. Greatness ain't based off of luck. It's based off of a lifestyle. And a lot of people, dude, are not willing to live the lifestyle that's needed to become great. They're not even willing to live half of the life that they need to become great. And that's why most people are going to stay stuck where they're at forever, because they're just not willing to sacrifice, right? They're not willing to build the habits needed to become great, you know, develop the systems to become great. And that's what I want to talk about real quick. So in this video, I'm going to give y'all like the 3 biggest habits that you could do. And these habits, like if you are really interested in doing these habits, they'll lead you towards greatness. I've personally been able to completely take control of my life, right? Like very happy right now with where I'm at. And a big part of it is because I started implementing these habits that I'm about to talk about. So I'm not even going to waste any time. We're going to get straight into habit number 1, which is you need to consistently educate yourself. All right. Like you can read, listen to podcasts, watch like educational videos on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, right? I talk about active scrolling a lot. You can implement some of that, but you need to consistently educate yourself. And what this is going to do, right, if you can do this habit, is it's going to give you a huge mental advantage over everybody, okay? Not a lot of people are willing to educate themselves. A lot of people, right, they go on their phone and they doom scroll TikTok, Facebook, YouTube. They doom scroll nonstop. Start active scrolling. Okay, I talked about it before in a video. You start active scrolling, right? You tell your algorithm that you want to watch these educational videos. They start putting them in there. That's changed my life. Like I can honestly say that has changed my life. You start doing that, it will change your life. Like I'm being 100% honest. Reading. I started reading books this year, honestly. Like before this year, I probably haven't actually fully, well, I read Total Money Makeover last year, but before this year, I really haven't read a book since probably like middle school, right? Like high school, we were forced to read books, whatever, but I haven't fully read a book like for my own sake since like middle school. Right now, actually, I'm reading this book right here, Secrets of the Millionaire Mind. Like books like this is what separates, you know, basic people from people that are going to be great, is just reading, you know, just reading, dude. It doesn't even have to be about money, right? It doesn't have to be about health. You just consistently educate yourself, right? Nonfiction books. I watch a lot of educational videos too. Like I said, I started watching Don Trail Britton, or Trail the Trainer, as a lot of people know. And honestly, dude, like me to you, you should go watch him, because he has completely changed my life. He has made me a better man just in the last 6 months when I started watching him. And I think a lot of young men need to really, you know, learn the things that he's talking about, right? So educate yourself. Books, podcasts. That's another thing. Podcasts I talked about. I listen to The Ramsey Show every single day, okay, on the way home from work. I listen to music all day at work, and, you know, I need a little break from music once we get, you know, on the way home, once I get done with work. So I turn on a podcast, right? And I learn constantly about money from that podcast, which I've been able to save over $50,000 in the last, 14 months now. It's just learning about this stuff. It really does change your life. The second habit that I want to talk about real quick, if you want to change your life, is just to take care of your body. Now, I should have mentioned this before I started the video, right? I'm just not thinking of it. But there's a lot of little habits that can go inside of these general habits that I'm talking about, right? Like, for example, the general habit right here is just take care of your body, right? Little habits could be like going to the gym, eating well, getting 8 hours of sleep, right? There's a lot of little habits, but I'm just going over the main general habits. Taking care of your body is so important, because a lot of people, I don't know if they just don't realize it or they just don't care, but they don't understand that your body is literally like your number one asset in life. Like, I know if you're a young man, if you watch sports, you probably know who Deion Sanders is. I'm pretty sure that's the guy who said it. But there's a quote, I don't remember it exactly off the top of my head, but it's like, you feel good, you play good, and they pay good. That's just think about that, right? If you take care of your body, right, you feel good, right? You feel confident. You know, you look good, you feel confident, you feel motivated. Once you start doing that, you start playing good, right? You start making the right moves in your life and, you know, taking the steps in the right direction. And once you start doing that, they pay good, right? And it's not just money, right? But money is a part of it. But your health will reward you. Your finances will reward you. Like, everything will reward you just because you're taking care of your body. So taking care of your body is one of the biggest things that you can do. And that's why I got that habit on here at number 2. And the last habit that I want to talk about real quick, and this is a big one too. It's not as important as the other two, I'll say. But if you want to become great, you know, completely take control of your life, you need to figure out and take control of your finances, I'll say. You need to really lock in on your finances, learn, right? It goes back to educating yourself. You need to learn about your finances. You need to live on a budget, okay? You need to live on a budget. You need to stop buying stuff to impress people. You need to you're going to build wealth, right? You need to build wealth. You need to learn how to build wealth, how to invest in the right stuff that's going to make your money grow for you, because at the end of the day, we all want money, right? It's not the end goal for everybody, but we all want money because money can't directly buy happiness, but it can buy a lot of things that can create happiness, right? It can create memories. So taking control, and it creates peace. Before I keep going, it creates peace, it creates stability in your life, and you're just a lot less stressed out when you got money figured out. Like, I know that personally. So taking control of your finances, you know, it's just, it will literally put you on the path to greatness. Those are the 3 main things that, like I said, I've implemented and I've been able to actually take control of my life. You guys start doing these, I promise you're going to be on the road to greatness. You're going to be on the road to success, and success looks different for everybody. But you just take these general habits, right? Educate yourself, take care of your body, figure your finances out. You're already way ahead of most people that you're watching a video like this. I'm going to be 100% honest. Most people probably your age, I don't know, I'm guessing a lot of my viewers are in their 20s, 30s. Most people your age probably don't have their life figured out or aren't even trying to take the steps in the right direction. If you're watching videos like this, you're already ahead of the game. You know what I'm saying? It's people like you and me, right? There's not a lot of us, but there's very few of us, you know what I'm saying, that actually want to take control of their life and, you know, set their future self up for success. But yeah, just implement these 3 habits, you know what I'm saying, and you'll be on the road to greatness 100%. But that's all I got. If y'all enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe. I have a feeling it's not gonna be a whole lot of edits in this video. I don't know why. It was just something that I really wanted to talk about, you know what I'm saying? So I feel like it just kind of naturally came out today. But yeah, like, subscribe if you guys are new. Also, if you guys are new and you made it this far, welcome to the channel. My name is Chase. I appreciate you guys for coming. But comment down below, you know, if you're on the road to greatness, and be 100% honest with yourself, because the first step to greatness that I actually should have mentioned is being 100% honest with yourself. If you're not where you should be right now, you need to be honest with yourself and let yourself know. That way, you know, you can fix these things. But comment down below if you're on the road to greatness. Yeah, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see everybody in the next one. Peace out.